Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Amazon affiliates, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is how to get an Amazon affiliate link. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get an Amazon affiliate link? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a blog or a YouTube channel, you know that a lot of people make money from affiliate linking to the Amazon products. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's all actually handled here in the Amazon website, amazon.com. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave these written instructions there as well. So the first way that you can get your Amazon affiliate link, the easiest way, is if you log into your Amazon account that's connected to your Amazon associates, you're automatically going to have this extra toolbar here at the top of your Amazon account. It's called Amazon Site Stripe. Once this is installed, it's basically a really easy tool to get Amazon affiliate links to any product or even any page. So for example, we'll click on these Levi's jeans right here. Okay, so I clicked on these jeans right here, and now that I clicked on the jeans, rather than going to my Amazon Associates account, the easiest way I can get the link for this is by going here to the very top, and here is the Site Stripe once again, and I can go ahead and get a text link, an image link, or a text and image link. So this image button right here is if you're going to be putting some sort of an image on your website. Usually I work in text, so let me go ahead and click on this one. Okay, so here, if you have more than one store inside of your Amazon affiliate, you'll need to click there and then choose the correct store. Also, the tracking ID, you want to click there and then choose the correct tracking ID that you want to use. Once you're done, you can just click right here on Get Link. Okay, so now it automatically gives you the short link, and you can click right here if you want the full link to your Amazon affiliate link for that particular product. One thing I'll note is if you are going for your Amazon affiliate link to be connected to your website, and in the future you might sell your website, you might want to use the full length because it's easier to bulk update these links when they're the full length. If you do the short link, then you basically have to do it manually. And if you have hundreds of products on your website or your YouTube channel, it can take a really long time. So that is the easiest way I know how to get your affiliate link for your Amazon store. You can also get this from the Amazon affiliate website. Let me click on over to that. Okay, so I went ahead and switched on over to my Amazon affiliate website right here. So it's affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once again, check my video description. I'll try to leave that quick link there. But if you're in here in the Amazon Associates and you still want to get an affiliate link, you need to click right here on product linking, and then you want to go down here to this button right here called product links. Okay, so if you go there, you can see that they will recommend that you use the Site Stripe. It used to be where you can go ahead and gather an Amazon affiliate link here, but here you cannot. So the only other thing you can do is in your Amazon affiliate is go here to product linking, and then you can do native shopping ads. Let me click there. Okay, so here you can do native shopping ads. So if you have a website or some sort of an Amazon affiliate site, you can go ahead and install these types of ads. It looks like it's naturally in your website, but they would be updated with the information directly from Amazon. So you can do custom ads right here, search ads, or recommendation ads. So let me go ahead and click on custom ads. And then once you're in here, see, this is what a custom ad is going to look like. So this would be an affiliate link on your website. So let me click on create custom ads. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up a Amazon affiliate link, but it's going to come up as custom ads with pictures. So you can go ahead and search products right here. So we can just type in shoes and then go, and then you can go ahead and add each one of these in. So we'll add this one, this shoe, and this shoe. Okay, so then it gives you an idea of what this ad and an Amazon affiliate link would look like on your website. So as someone's scrolling through your website, they're going to see these four options, and you're going to have your web developer install this onto whatever page you're working on, because they give you the ad code right here. So you can go ahead and highlight and then copy that, and then your web developer can install that onto your web page, and that way you get this type of Amazon affiliate link. It comes up with an image and the current price and the ratings. So there you have it guys. If you're looking for information on how to get your Amazon affiliate link, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.